Hi, I'm Olivia Mcnally with McNally & Associates. Welcome to 1606 Via Laguna in San Mateo. This gorgeous 2-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom townhouse is located smack dab in the middle of Silicon Valley in San Francisco. Don't miss the private garage and all the amenities, but let's go take a look and see what this special property has to offer. So what did you think? Isn't this place amazing? I'd say so myself. If you have any more questions about this property or anything else in the Bay Area, please feel free to contact us. We look forward to seeing you soon.